In a world where smartphones have become important of our lives, there are some that stand out as truly unique and extraordinary. Today, we're going to take a look at the 9 most unusual and coolest smartphones that you've probably never heard of. Number 9. ZTE Hawkeye. Introducing a smartphone that comes with a unique feature that allows the user to operate the device without touching the screen. The ZTE Hawkeye is equipped with a dual camera with zoom on the back, a fingerprint scanner, a 5.2-inch full HD display, and a fast charging battery. Its advanced tracking technology enables users to control the phone with eye movements, such as flipping pages or browsing photos. This feature is especially convenient for those who have their hands full or prefer to use their phone without touching it. Moreover, the device also includes a special cover that allows it to be attached to any vertical surface. This makes it easy to use during video calls or while following a recipe in the kitchen. The ZTE Hawkeye is priced at $200. Number 8. CAT S60. CAT S60 is renowned for being the first ever smartphone equipped with a built-in thermal vision camera. The device comes with a unique feature that can detect heat leakage in rooms and areas with overheating electrical wiring. With its thermal camera, it can measure the temperature of different objects and even capture images and videos in complete darkness and through the smoke. The thermal camera has a range of up to 100 feet, making it incredibly convenient for various applications. Aside from its thermal vision camera, this device's durability is also worth mentioning. The CAT S60 comes with a hardened cast metal frame and protective glass, making it sturdy enough to withstand a fall from up to 7 feet. It is also waterproof, allowing you to submerge it in water up to 16 feet for an hour without causing any damage to the device. The smartphone comes with a price tag of $600, which may be a little high, but it is entirely worth it for all the features that come with it. Number 7. Alcatel A5 LED. The Alcatel A5 LED is a unique smartphone that stands out from the rest with its LED back cover that can shimmer with different colors. The LED lights can be customized to notify the user about incoming messages and emails by lighting up with different colors, making it a fun and unique way to stay connected. Additionally, the LED lights can be used to imitate the colors of photos taken with the phone's camera or even light up in tune with the music playing on the phone. This device is not just about style and entertainment, it is also a fully functional smartphone with a 5.2-inch HD display, 2 GB of RAM, 16 GB of internal storage, expandable up to 128 GB, a 1.5 GHz octa-core processor, and a 13-megapixel rear camera. The Alcatel A5 LED is an affordable option for those who want a smartphone with a unique feature that adds a touch of fun and customization to their mobile experience. It can be purchased for a price range of $150 to $200. Number 6. Lumigon T3. The Lumigon T3 is a high-end smartphone that boasts a 4-megapixel camera with 2 infrared LEDs, allowing you to take clear photos even in complete darkness. This unique feature makes it an ideal device for night photography enthusiasts and security personnel. Additionally, the Lumigon T3 has a special action key that you can program to launch a specific function or application, making it a versatile and customizable device. The phone's body is made of high-quality stainless steel and fiberglass, making it durable and resistant to dust and moisture. Moreover, the Lumigon T3 is waterproof, adding to its already impressive resilience. This device can also function as a universal control panel for household appliances, according to its designers. However, its luxury features come at a price, and the Lumigon T3 costs $920, making it a high-end device for those who demand the best in smartphone technology. Number 5. ZenFone AR. This revolutionary smartphone is a game-changer in the world of mobile technology, as it is the first to feature both Tango and Daydream technologies simultaneously. With Tango, users can interact with augmented reality software through a set of sensors and computer vision software, allowing them to play games, access applications, and navigate indoor spaces. Meanwhile, Daydream offers a virtual reality platform for mobile devices, creating immersive experiences that transport users to new worlds. Another impressive feature of the ZenFone AR is its 8 GB of RAM, providing lightning-fast processing speeds and ensuring seamless multitasking capabilities. With all these cutting-edge features, it's no surprise that the ZenFone AR comes with a price tag of around $890. Number 4. Lenovo C+. Lenovo C+ is a smartphone that comes with a unique feature of bending, which allows it to be used like a smartwatch when wrapped around the wrist. The phone has dents on the top and the bottom, which gives it an unusual appearance. The electronic components of the device are separated into different segments, which allows the interface to change depending on how the device is used. Lenovo representatives have acknowledged that the screen can still crack like shattered glass when rolling it, so it's not recommended to do so. The C+ smartphone is equipped with a 4.26-inch display, a Snapdragon 625 processor, 4 GB of RAM, and a 64 GB storage capacity. It also has a 13-megapixel camera and a 2050 mAh battery. However, the price of this unique smartphone is currently unknown, as Lenovo has not yet released it to the public. Number 3. Sony Xperia XZ1. Sony Xperia XZ1 is a small but powerful device packed with impressive features. One of the main highlights of this smartphone is its 19-megapixel camera, which produces stunning images and videos. It comes with a built-in memory chip that allows to store a massive amount of data, making it possible to shoot slow-motion videos at a rate of 960 frames per second. Additionally, the XZ1 has ability to capture clear sound, even in noisy environments. This device comes with a 3D Creator app that uses the camera to scan faces and objects. With this feature, you can create 3-dimensional photos and share them on social media or print them using a 3D printer. The device is priced at $650, making it an excellent option for anyone for a high-quality smartphone that won't break the bank. Number 2. Jelly 2e. Jelly 2 is one of the most unusual and coolest smartphones out there. Despite its tiny size, it packs quite a punch with its 3-inch screen, 8-megapixel camera, and 4G connectivity. It's small enough to fit in your pocket or even on your keychain, making it a great option for those who don't want to carry a bulky phone around. The device is made with a combination of metal and plastic and is available in 3 different colors. It also has a removable battery, which is a rare feature in modern smartphones. The Jelly 2 runs on Android 10 and has a MediaTek Helio P60 processor with 6 GB of RAM. At a price point of around $200, it's also an affordable option for those who don't want to spend a fortune on a new phone. Number 1. Huawei Mate X. The Huawei Mate X is a cutting-edge foldable smartphone that redefines mobile technology. Featuring an innovative design, the Mate X seamlessly transforms from a smartphone into an 8-inch OLED tablet with a simple fold. The device is remarkably thin, with a screen thickness of just 5.4 millimeters. Powered by the Huawei Belong 5000, the world's first 7-nanometer multi-mode processor, the Mate X also supports 5G connectivity, ensuring lightning-fast data speeds. One of its standout features is the supercharged technology, which allows the phone to charge from 0% to 85% in just 30 minutes. That's a wrap! If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates. See you in next video.